visualize it. I feel it's something to do. Visualize it. I feel it's something to do.
All right, you guys, we're on Xcelerator. We just got a rollback. We just got a rollback, you guys.
Oh my god!
I literally can't believe it. We were going. I was saying
joking around with Jack. What if we get a rollback? He was like, that's impossible.
We were joking around.
We just froze at the top, and I was like,
we like stopped, and I'm like, oh my gosh, we're gonna roll back. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, we were joking around. We're like, oh, what if we get a rollback? You guys, I literally don't know how to explain this. Like, I'm speechless right now.
We just rolled back on Xcelerator.
We just got a rollback.
Roll back.
We just rolled back.
It finally happened.
It finally happened after all of us wanting. We all hoped. Sorry, it's out of focus. Hold on. We all hoped. All right, you guys. I went to the phone because my camera just wasn't working. But we're walking to hang time right now. You guys, we're all in shock. We were all joking. We're like, oh, what if we get a rollback or whatever? And it happened. It actually happened. Mark. Dude, I'm
freaking out. I was joking around with Jack in the front row. When if we actually roll back? He's like, no, that's impossible. There's no way. I was like, holy shit.
You guys should have heard us.
This fuckers just got a rollback on the first ride of the day. Are you kidding me? I could have been on that train.
I make this sort of thing up. I was joking about it straight up.
Dude, we rolled back. Well, we're going to hang time. They said we could just walk up to the front of the station and they're gonna put us right on Xcelerator when we come back. But you guys, that's one of the most rare rollbacks you can get, except for full throttle. You guys, we just got 2 rides in a row on hang time in the back without getting off. This visit's literally already one of the best visits just because we got it.
Already, we've been here for like an hour.
We got a Zen ride rollback and 2 rides on hang time in the back.
And we're about to go Timber Mountain.
And we're about to go Timber Mountain.
And Ghost Rider's open. We thought
and yeah, they said on the website that Ghost Rider was going to be closed, but it's open, so very hype. Oh, smell that! It smells so good. Ah! No, the homie. Oh, the homie.
I didn't get that wet at all.
Nice. At the moment, got off of Timber Mountain log. Right now we're going to the other water ride because it's also a walk on Calico River Rapids. Such an amazing ride. Like, it's not underrated what people say. I love it. It's so good. Iron Reef right now. I've never been on it, so hopefully it's pretty cool.
You saved the park, and I'll be able to fish in my favorite spot again. Well done.
That was really bad, but alright.
If you're looking for a dark ride, just go an hour up the road to Universal or Metro.
Yeah, just go to Universal. Justice League is so much. Justice League is so much better than this, but whatever. Okay, invert. You know, that last helix is amazing.
It's a pretty shit helix.
No, it's so forceful. That last part is.
It's a shit invert though.
The ride overall is forceless except for the last part. But it's just a fun ride, honestly. Montezuma's Revenge. Let's go! Just got off of Monty. That loop is so intense, you guys. Like, yeah, Force Golf knows what they're doing. So good.
Best GCI I've ridden.
Yeah. Rider was fantastic as always, and now we are going on Sierra Sidewinder. we're going to Ghost Rider again with Adam. So, should be a fun one. We're gonna try Xcel one more time. They said we could just walk up the exit because we rolled back, so.
We've gotten half a ride on Xcelerator today.
Yeah, today we've only had half a ride on Xcel. So, let's try it again. I really do hope we roll back again, but it won't happen. So, ready for an amazing launch. We made it. Oh. See, when Mark laughs, he coughs. It's pretty funny. Oh, Mark's having a spasm. It happens sometimes. We're doing Supreme Scream. It's just part of it. Ah! You hear that? That was Mark.
We're doing Supreme.
Supreme.
What was that? Let me see the video.
Yeah, we're on Calico Mine right now. Mine Company. I don't really remember the name. This is Ghost Rider's line right now. Hold on. Sorry if you guys can't see. There you go. That's a little better.
No line.
No line for Ghost Rider. I know it's like it's midday and there's no line. Okay, we're gonna marathon this for sure right now. We just got on the Ghost Rider like mini marathon, so we're doing the flyers now because they slap. They're okay.
Yeah, they were okay.
Not the best, right?
Not like violent or anything, but they were fun.
Not like Gnobles.
Yeah, definitely not. Any coaster enthusiasts? Shut up. Hey, ow! Get out of here! We're getting on too many enthusiasts.